Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an ignition cylinder. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable using a 10mm wrench to prevent any accidental electrical shorts. Next, carefully remove the plastic trim panels around your steering column, which usually involves a few Phillips head screws and gentle prying. With the trim removed, insert your key into the existing ignition cylinder. Turn the key clockwise to the accessory or run position. Now, look for a small release pin or button, often found on the underside of the cylinder housing. Use a small pick or screwdriver to depress this pin firmly. While holding the pin down, gently pull the key and the old cylinder straight out from the steering column. Now, take your new ignition cylinder and insert your key into it. Make sure the key turns smoothly and operates the cylinder mechanism. Align the new cylinder with the opening in the steering column housing, ensuring the key is still in the accessory or run position. Gently push the new cylinder straight in until you hear and feel a distinct click, indicating it has locked securely into its position. With the new cylinder firmly in place, it is time to reassemble. Carefully snap or screw the steering column trim panels back into their original positions. Once the trim is secure, reconnect the negative battery cable to your vehicle's battery terminal, tightening it with your 10mm wrench. Finally, insert your key and test the new ignition cylinder to ensure it starts the engine and all electrical components function as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.